Manipuri Students Federation MSF President Hijam Roshan has emphasized that Manipuri identity will be eroded if their language, culture and traditions are lost. He was speaking at the one-day discussion program on the topic Manipuri Londa Mahimasing Tamhanabagi Tangai Padaba Amadi Maru Ibasing at National Research Center NRC Kanchipur today. The event, organized by MSF, was also attended by retired Professor of Department of Anthropology, Manipur University, W. Nabakumar, Assistant Professor of Department of Manipuri, MU, Dr. Naurem Sanatomba, and Department of English, Manipur University of Culture, Assistant Professor, Dr. Irom Robindro. Speaking further, Roshan stressed the need to evaluate the present status of Manipuri language and promote it while participating in the globalization. He urged the authorities to prioritize Manipuri language in education, raising concern that neglecting it risks the extinction of the language and Manipuri identity. The MSF president also lamented that students are not allowed to pursue education in Manipuri language, although the language has been included in the 8th schedule and has also passed the Manipuri Official Language Act 1979.
Nasi demo, aku nak yengbe, alih di satu lagi dalam jen di sel sudah, aku di loan di pun masih kali tahap lagi harus. Aku di Manipuri loan nasi, aku nak tuntukan nomaga, sampai kerana globalisasi di dongan kolam semua be, loan be, culture be, maku itu kan, aku di dengan sakit dengan aku di culture di pun nak kali be harus. Language sama kan community amaga. Photo posing loan ama oiraklaba adum nubatha adugi loan adugo aikoi kuni mon ngasidi mirai pugum tawle Manipuri londa mahi masing tamanmiyo madi Manipuri londa tamna laik sing phanganmiyo hayama tamda aikoi loan ngamjari ba akoi Manipuri singna bokta kari kana dano haibagi wakhalon thakti yorogani madum lebak ki mangja ba makak oigani harasni